is our Ratchet, Q, and A. A.
Okay. How old are you? I'm 17 and she's 13.
It's true. No, I'm 16.
Do you like someone?
I do not like anybody.
Don't lie.
I'm in love.
Aw. What's her name?
I can't.
I do like somebody.
What's his name?
I'm not saying that. Has someone ever entered inside the bathroom when you were in there?
I'd say 98% of the time because people hate me.
No,
And they just
not for me.
They just want to see me.
They just want to see you.
They just want to see.
What's your favorite hymn at church where you worship Lord Pizza? She doesn't even know what a hymn is, so we can't answer this.
The only him I know is what you call a boy. Him.
What's your favorite color?
Purple and black.
Oh, mine's black and purple.
Can't move my head.
Suck my ass.
I have to see what it looks like first. It's on a need-to-know basis.
Are you a Christian?
Yes, I
Somewhat.
am. I have church in the morning. And we're taking this fucker with us. It's so bad.
Ideal date.
My ideal date would be... Oh, I don't know. Give me some buffalo wings and a beer, and I'm pretty much good to go.
Movies and dinner, but I've never been on a date. So...
I'll take you. Don't worry.
No. You have a girl. Where were you conceived?
That's an interesting question. Where were you conceived, boy?
I was conceived in an elevator in England.
Your mom was going down.
Oh.
I was conceived in a telephone booth in England, too, as well.